New update from the Storm Prediction Center just came out, and essentially all of the Mid-South now is in a level 4 out of 5 moderate risk for severe weather coming up tonight. This means that numerous severe thunderstorms are not only possible but likely now across most of the Mid-South. As we go into Saturday, that threat will shift off a little bit more to the east. Let's look at the timeline. This is for tonight into early Saturday morning. Thinking in eastern Arkansas, your timeline for storms between about 6 to 9 p.m. closer to the Mississippi River over much of West Tennessee, northwest Mississippi. Spot your town on the map here. 8 p.m. to midnight. That does include, again, Memphis all the way up to Dyersburg, as far south as Clarksdale, Batesville, and of course Hernando as well. Off to the east, if you're closer to Oxford, say Walnut, Ripley, Mississippi, over to Corinth, looking at about 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. And again, give or take an hour or two with this timeline. It's not going to be perfect, but just general timing. And you notice that most of this is happening late at night. That's why it is so important that you have multiple ways to receive warning information tonight, and you have a way to be woken up from those storms. Make sure your phone is not on Do Not Disturb tonight or on sleep mode. You need to have the sound on so you can hear those emergency alerts if they happen to go off tonight, should we have any warnings. We hope that we don't. Saturday, our severe weather threat a little lower, but still enhanced over a good part of North Mississippi and even parts of western Tennessee. The highest risk is going to be to our south. That's where the greatest coverage of storms will be. But we're all in some level of risk regardless for Saturday. It just may be a bit more numerous to just the southeast of us. But let's talk about tonight, because this is the first severe threat we're going to deal with here is the late evening into the overnight hours. 8 p.m. could already see a few storms popping up. I think they will quickly become very robust late tonight, even through midnight. 1, 2 a.m. storms are still with us, start to wind down closer to about 4 a.m. That's why, again, a lot of this is going to happen in the overnight. We may get a brief break very early tomorrow morning around sunrise, maybe for an hour or two, and then storms will develop again through late morning tomorrow. I'll just play this through and you'll see we get wave after wave of showers and storms as we go into Saturday late morning, early afternoon. I think after about lunchtime, the risk is really going to go down for us. Because a lot of that storm field is going to start to wane as some cooler, more stable air settles in. But we've got to watch the first half of Saturday for that chance of severe weather. And we still may even have a couple of showers and storms late Saturday in the evening. But again, I think that severe threat really is going to be the first half of Saturday rather than Saturday night. Tornadoes, large hail, high winds, heavy rain, all at play with this event. So again, you've got to have a way to hear the watches, hear the warnings, and be ready to take action if a warning is issued. A good bit of rain will happen, especially where you get repeated downpours, upwards of 4, maybe 5 inches of rain in some spots. There is a flood watch just to our east. So right now, good time to make sure, again, you have the wireless alerts on your phone. Keep your devices charged up. WREG weather app. Great tool to have on a night like this. So severe storms tonight. Tomorrow, those storms will linger. Waves of storms, a few could be severe. As we go into Sunday, it will be sunny again, a little cooler with nice weather through Tuesday. May see a few showers next Wednesday, but not severe weather.